So this video is going to be a bit raw because I had to get it out pretty quickly. Now, normally I'm not into the whole Black Friday thing because I generally see it as just like a ploy because people are trying to push their normal prices as if they were actually specials. But this year, I've actually noticed a couple that have been standing out for me a bit. So I'm going to share those with you here quick. And it's only 3 companies that really stood out. Okay, so the first of the 3 has to be SiteGround. Now, normally when you click the affiliate links in my videos, you get like a 75 to 78% discount on the first year. So this year on Black Friday, they're doing 85% off. And you're also getting a free domain for the year and quite a lot of other things. I mean, they're doing like the site transfer, there's a site scanner, and then they got this premium backup support system for the higher tiers, and that's going to be included for free as well. I've used them for a couple of my clients so far, and like their hardware and everything for hosting is like really surprising compared to like normal hosts. There's a huge difference. And now with hosting going at like 85% off, it is a deal that like you really should consider if you're in the market for hosting, or if you want to move your site or anything. This Black Friday might be the one for you. Now, the second one on this list has to be Elementor. So many people use it, and they're also doing a Black Friday. So they gave me an email and had a list of all these different things that they're actually doing as savings. And I know that their normal prices are these normal listed prices. So if you go and do the links as well, you'll be able to see how much you're actually saving. And if you don't want to use the links, don't use the links, but like do capitalize on this if you're on the market for it. Here on the screen, I'm just showing you absolutely everything that they're actually doing. This is from them. So when you go onto their website, it's going to be the exact same pricing. So it's like a legitimate thing from them. On Elementor hosting, they're doing pretty big specials as well. On the actual plugin, it's not as big as the hosting discounts, but it still is a pretty good discount that they're offering for this particular Black Friday. And theirs, I think, is going to be extending onto Monday as well. So it's got that whole Cyber Monday thing. So theirs is going to be extended a bit. So when you go into Elementor on the Black Friday, this is going to be the page that you'll land on. Then here you can see all the different savings that you have. So if you're in the market for Elementor Pro, this might be the year for you. Of the 3 companies that I'm taking pretty seriously this year, has to be Semrush. If you just know a little bit about SEO for a website, you know that you really do need tools like these. The problem with these tools is they are normally insanely expensive, but the actual stuff that you have within those tools is just insane. Now with Semrush, for this particular Black Friday, they will give you a free consultation to really check out your whole website for you. And that is from one of their professionals who really love this stuff. Something really cool about Semrush that I do like, they do give a 7-day free trial on everything. So if you don't want to pull the trigger on Semrush after the 7 days, you can just cancel and then everything will be okay. They're not going to charge you. Here's an absolute another one that you should really consider if you're in the market for it. And that's it for this video. And I'll see you in the next video on Wednesday.